friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the Mi11X versus the Realme X1 Max device. And during this time, even I'll try to test the multi-finger touch sampling rate as well. Yes. So before I used to use only single finger to test the touch sampling rate, but when you try to use a multiple fingers, the touch sampling rate will decrease. So if you're not aware of that, this video will be really helpful for you to decide which phone has got what type of touch sampling rate. So by default, the Mi11X will be having the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So the Realme X1 Max will be having the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. But the company, they do claim the phone has got the 360 Hz, but default we do get is 240 Hz. I'll try to show you exactly the demonstration. I'll try to use the same applications what I'm trying to use in both phones. So same application I'm trying to use in both devices. So right now I'm trying to use these phones, and I did enable the high refresh rate as well in both phones. So first let me just show you in the Mi11X device with one single finger. 480. As you can see, you're getting 480 and 485. So don't think the phone has got 480 Hz touch sampling rate. The phone doesn't have that much 480 Hz touch sampling rate. The phone has got only 360 Hz. So what you need to do is that what are the value you get over there, you need to do the minus with a 120 Hz refresh rate. So 480 Hz, what are the value you're getting? 480 minus 120. So you'll get the value of 360 Hz touch sampling rate in the Mi11X device which is present in this phone. That's perfect, accurate, without any kind of problem we are getting exactly. Let's test with the multi-finger gestures. Single finger it's maintaining 480 only. Two fingers it's maintaining 480. Try to focus exactly, I'm unable to focus but still. And three fingers, let me just slightly zoom in. So three fingers I'm trying to do. So you can actually see the touch inputs also. On many touch inputs I'm trying to touch the screen. So three inputs, and right now 470, and four inputs it decreased a little bit touch sampling rate. You can see it decreased, 420 it became, and the number became right now with the 5 touch inputs 360 it became. So 360 minus 120 Hz refresh rate, so you'll get the 240 Hz touch sampling rate using the 5 finger gestures. So using 5 fingers you are getting the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. If you use single finger, you will get a 360 Hz touch sampling rate in the Mi11X device. This is what the video is about. I think you got to understand how is the multi-touch functionality is working in Mi11X device. But let's see how is the touch sampling rate in this phone. First, with single finger, we're getting the value about close to 360, 359 and 352. So 360. So 360 minus 120 Hz refresh rate. So you do get 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. Exactly. As you can see the difference, how much it is. In this phone you're getting the value of 480, and in this phone you're getting the value of 360. So here's the live proof what we got. And now let me try to use multi-finger gestures. Try to focus only on this top here, and I'm trying to use, whenever I add another finger, you'll be able to see the 2 touch inputs detected. It's remaining exactly same, and 3 touch inputs it's remaining kind of similar, no problem. 4 touch inputs it's remaining exactly same, 360. And 5 touch inputs right now. I'm trying to use the 5 touch inputs also. The number did not decrease much. It was about close to 330 number I'm getting. As you can see friends, not bad. So it was able to maintain 330 minus 120 Hz refresh rate. So 210 kind of touch sampling rate it's maintaining. Even with the 5 finger gestures in the Realme X1 Max, with the 5 finger gestures. So now let's move to the next application which is also useful to test the touch sampling rate. So this application is very good application friends, because you can actually see the live demonstration, how much impact it will be there when you're trying to game or anything. Let me just show you in the Realme X1 Max how smooth it is in the Realme X1 Max, and same thing applies for the Mi11X also. I'm trying to increase the speed. Try to observe. So when I did increase the speed, the Mi11X, sorry, Realme X1 Max, so you can see the circles, it did not detect much. But in the Mi11X it was really smooth line. It's like smooth, as you can see exactly the difference how it is between these both phones. Now let me try to even do will be kind of faster. Now try to observe the touch inputs. You can clearly see how much difference it's there. So more touch inputs are detected in the Mi11X device when compared with the Realme X1 Max smartphone. You can clearly see the difference. Now very speed, as you can see friends, with very fast as well, still the Mi11X was able to keep that. So now next test is to do the multi-finger. Even this test I'll try to do the multi-finger. So let's start with Realme X1 Max. Sorry. 2 fingers 3 fingers, I'm trying to draw the lines. 4 fingers and 5 fingers right now. With 5 fingers also no issues. Try to observe the line, how the lines are, and let me try to do the same thing in the MI11X device. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see friends clearly how smooth the lines are in the MI11X device because of the touch sampling rate only. As you can see, there must be some kind of reason why it's kind of limited, I'm not sure, but you can see the difference how it is the touch sampling rate. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick multi-finger touch sampling rate comparison. I think you got to understand what is happening, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video only straight up more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.